Hi all, are you searching for a job using a job portal? Then we have 4 tips for you if you want to increase your interview calls. So these 4 tips is being researched. We took a lot of websites and we took important points where you can easily crack and get more interview calls. So these 4 points we have already informed few of the candidates to keep into their profile, and they are already seeing the results. So here is the first point for you: open and close. For example, if you're taking any job portal, open and close the job website or job portal every day. I will tell you the reason why. For example, if a recruiter is accessing the job website, when he is sending an interview call letter for the candidate, he will pick last active. For example, last active 3 days, last active 7 days. So recruiters are showing more interest for the candidate who is active on the website or the web portal or the job portal. So remember one thing, every day in the morning just open and close the job website where you are searching for a job. So the second point is update your resume. So candidates always make a resume and they'll just upload it. But here is a point over here. For example, that day or one day if you're searching for a job where it is having good communication skill, so recruiter want good communication skill, and if you feel that you have to apply and you have to attend that interview, what you need to do is just download that resume or just have your resume in your doc in your PC. Just add a point that you are having very good communication skills. So that good communication skills is a tag. That line you just add somewhere in your resume and re-upload that CV or resume in that job portal. It could be any job portal. Why you have to do this? When recruiters are using job portals are having softwares where a recruiter can search a resume or a profile using that software by using some keywords. For example, recruiter, if they are searching for a keyword called communication skill, then your profile which is having a good communication skill in your Word document or your resume, it will be automatically being collected to the recruiter and you will get more chance of getting interview call on the same day. So this is the second crack, and this is the first crack, and this is the third crack. This third crack is change your location. For example, if you are in Visakhapatnam and if you are looking for an IT job, that too in a Dell company, then you are doing a wrong process over here. First of all IT companies are there in metro cities like Hyderabad, Bangalore, Mumbai, all these places. So most of the people, when they are searching for any job, they generally move to metro places like Bangalore, Mumbai. So what you have to do is just go for your profile, just open your job portal or job website, just change your location. If it is Visakhapatnam, for example, just change Visakhapatnam to Bangalore. Make it like this. So let's see why you need to do this. For example, MNC opening in Bangalore location. When a company is posting a job in Bangalore location, usually they look for an immediate joining. So usually immediate joinings will be happen only if the candidate is nearby. So usually MNC companies will look for people or candidates who are near to the location. So they will look for a candidate who is next to Bangalore or who is in Bangalore. So just change your location to your nearby any metro city. It could be Hyderabad, it could be Bangalore, or it could be anything. So the last point is 100% fill your profile. Lot of candidates, when they create a job profile in any job portal or job website, they don't make it till 100%. For example, if I'm a recruiter and I don't have time to go through a lot of resumes, I'll just go for profile and I'll just see the profile. I don't go for all resumes if I have to access 1000 profile or 500 profiles in a day. So you have to fill it by also updating your profile picture and also giving everything in detail. Lot of people usually don't go in detail to your resume, so you have to fill your profile 100%. So here are the 4 tips for you if you want to increase your interview calls. So all the best guys. Try to keep everything, like first one is open and close every day the job website. Second one is update your resume with the skills. For example, if you're applying for Java or anything related to coding, include that words in your resume, and third one is change your location, and fourth one is 100% fill your profile. So all the best guys. If you're searching for any job, do register at freshersworld.com. We are coming up with much more interesting videos for you. Do like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.